Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. It's the time of the year where Appa is going to make Poon Choy again, prosperity bowl. Alright, so let's take a look at the ingredient. Let's start from here. So Appa has some broccoli here, sea cucumber, few pieces of soaked shiitake mushroom, few pieces of ocean prawn, and I have some zhuk, and also fish maw. Here we have some pig sinew, the zhuk, yeah, some roast pork, some braised abalone, and also radish. Altogether, I have 10 ingredients here. Now, I always prefer to use the braised abalone because I can use the braise for my broth later as well. This dish may sound intimidating to a lot of people because outside is selling very expensive, but it is actually not so difficult to make. Only thing is it will take a little bit more time to make it, yeah, to prep it and also to blanch the thing. Actually, this dish is all about blanching and combine everything together. That's all. Now you can find many kinds of fish maw outside. This is the fried type. What you need to do is just to soak it until it is softened and then cook it later for about 10-20 minutes. And this is zhuk. Yeah, the zhuk here, usually the one I use, you actually need to soak it for maybe 1 to 2 hours to soften it. Then later it may actually take up to 20 minutes for it to be more edible. If not, it can be a little bit chewy. For shiitake mushroom also, you need to soak it for 1-2 hours. This is the very huge ones from Japan. And then, of course, you want to cut it and remove the stem in the middle because this is very chewy. The stem is very chewy, but don't throw away the stem. We are going to use the stem for something later. Now, there are two types of pork sinew that you can find from the market. The one I use is the frozen one, which is easier to use. Just to defrost it, then you can use it straight away. There's another type which is the dried type. That you need to soak it for 3 days if I'm not mistaken. So I have one radish here, cut it into thick slices like this. We are going to put it at the bottom of the pot later as foundation, yeah? As if the prawn, usually I will just remove the leg and also the pointy part. Of course, at home, you can actually devein it. But for the sake of video, this particular video, it will actually look nicer on video if I don't devein. So at home you can go ahead and devein your prawn. Right, so first of all we are going to make the the soup, and this soup is going to use to blanch almost most of the ingredient. Right, I'm going to boil up approximately 2 liters of hot water here. Once it is almost boiling, we can actually put in the radish first. This soup is going to be a combination with few ingredients. Then we have few pieces of ginger. These are the mushroom stems. Don't waste it. We are going to use it to cook the soup. It has very nice flavor. And also I have one chicken thigh, and I have actually removed, cut it and also remove the meat. I will be using the meat for my fish maw soup tomorrow. Just using the chicken bone here to make the chicken stock. So you are going to bring this to a boil and let it cook for at least about simmer and cook for probably about, I would say, 15 to 20 minutes before we continue. Because of the chicken bone, you're going to see some scums releasing, so you can actually sieve it out. Or you can blanch your chicken first before coming here. Huh? So I have boiled some hot water here, and I'm going to put in a bit of salt, a little bit of oil, and I put in my zhuk. Zhuk is going to take easily 20 minutes, yeah? Especially on the ones I'm using, I know it will take about 20 minutes. You need to get to know your ingredients. Some zhuk can actually get melt. It can actually melt very fast, but this one can tahan cooking. So while waiting for this, let's go and see what my sponsors has offered to you today. Hi, this is Cooking Appa. In home cooking, there's one thing that tends to be forgotten by many people, which is how to avoid cross-contamination when it comes to prepping the food. Take for example, there are some chopping boards where you can actually use one side for raw food and another side for cooked food, right? What happens if you have only one chopping board then? So this particular chopping board, you should actually cut the veggie first, then only you cut the meat. Avoiding food cross-contamination is actually very important so that it doesn't lead to food poisoning to our family. So what about cutting tools? Appa have with me one very interesting product that is going to help us to really seriously prevent food contamination at home. Let me show it to you. So Appa have with me the Scotch Premium Kitchen Scissors and also Scotch Titanium Kitchen Scissors. Alright, this is after 20 minutes simmering, under medium-high heat. Our broth is basically done, but the radish is not fully cooked yet. As you can see from here, if it is fully cooked, it will be 100% very, very transparent. And you can actually poke something sharp into it. If you can go through, then it is cooked, but I'm sure it is not cooked yet. So I'm just going to leave it there to continue cooking. But meanwhile, I'm going to remove the mushroom stems. The chicken bone, the ginger, all right, so leaving whatever inside here that I'm going to eat it later. Let it continue cook the radish, and I'm going to put in some other ingredient as well. First of all, my very big shiitake mushroom. This is humongous. Humongous. So it will take probably 10 to 20 minutes easily for it to be fully cooked. And I have a humongous sea cucumber as well. Be careful with sea cucumber. Some sea cucumber can melt within 15 minutes. This one, I'm sure it can last for 20-30 minutes, no problem. And I have the pig sinew, the chukyokan. At least have to cook for about 15 minutes as well. Not forgetting our fish maw. And I'm going to season, give it some salt. So let's cook everything inside for another 20 to 30 minutes. Right, this is approximately 18 minutes on my zhuk. I can tell my zhuk is ready. I can actually take it out. Right after I take out the zhuk, I'm going to blanch the prawn. Don't blanch the prawn for too long. It should be kept within 3 minutes, between 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, the prawn is ready. This is approximately 2.5 minutes. Take it out. I still have broccoli, but I'm going to use a fresh pot of water to cook the broccoli so it doesn't have the fishy smell coming from the prawn. Right, so this is after about 25 minutes. Some of the ingredient is already done. I can tell. Let me slowly take out one by one. This is the fish maw. Try to group them together so that it's easier for us to arrange later. After the fish maw, I'm going to take out the pig sinew. Whoa, look at how jiggly it is. After that, I'm going to take out my sea cucumber. Oh, this is heavy. Then I'm going to take out my giant shiitake mushroom. Oh, humongous. Look at this. It's almost like a turtle. Next thing, we are going to take out the radish. See, it's already transparent. If you're not sure whether it is ready or not, all you need to do is just to use something sharp, poke it through, yeah? Just like I already tried, which is very soft. Then I'm going to blanch the broccoli. Same like before, I have put in some salt and also oil, vegetable oil inside the boiling water, yeah? This will help to keep the greenish of the veggie itself. And we just only need to blanch this veggie for less than 1 minute. This is approximately 1 minute. See how green it is? Going to take it out. Sea cucumber is huge, so I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. After the radish, we will put one layer of the zhuk. Ooh, later the zhuk will really soak out the nice broth. Then we can arrange the rest of the ingredient here. We have the sea cucumber. Ooh, super jellyfish. Then we have the fish maw. We have the shiitake mushroom. We have the pig sinew. I have my abalone. The abalone from the can, basically you only have to heat it up. Yeah, don't really have to cook it even. I have my prawns. I have some broccoli. Everything must seem overflow, yeah. Then only your prosperity can be overflow on this 2023. And the number 10 item, which is my roast pork. Sub chin, sub mei. So once you have arranged your pork prosperity bowl nicely, next thing is the final step, which is to make finalize the sauce. Yeah, thicken the sauce. So this is the broth I used to blanch the ingredient just now. This is approximately about 1 bowl of it, and I'm going to add. This is the abalone, braised abalone sauce, the one that come out from the can. Yeah, and we are going to bring this to a boil. Right, once this is boiling for a couple of minutes, you can actually have a taste and season it, adjust to taste using some salt and a little bit of sugar if you want. I already tasted it just now. It tastes really good already. Okay, so next thing I'm going to off the heat, adding in some starch solution, thicken it up a bit. Just nice. Okay, so I'm going to add in the thickened sauce. Right, okay, it is basically done. Appa will be giving away 5 prizes to my viewers and followers today. Stand a chance to win 1 Scotch detachable titanium kitchen scissors, each color at random, and 1 Scotch antibacterial premium kitchen scissors worth 111.60 cents. And for those who want to participate, just share one of your favorite Chinese New Year must-have dishes in the comment box below, and how Scotch titanium kitchen scissors can help you to prepare the dish. And winner will be chosen at random. And also for those who are interested to purchase these scissors, I will leave purchase online info at the video description. This pot here can easily fit at least 5-6 adults easily. So if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. 恭喜發財 everyone. Bye bye.